Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back in my university library, and I don't know if you can hear my voice very well because I don't think I can speak too loud. So quickly, I want to share with you how to know the suitable content for you according to your budget. And then my last video, I talked about Scrum, study visa, and that is differentiated into two: that's scholarship and then self-funding. So for self-funding, you actually need to consider a country that would be okay for your budgets. So in this particular video, I'm going to be doing a short analysis for you on what you need to spend, what you should be expecting to spend, and the particular country. So that's what this video is about. So for the UK is very expensive right now, considering the tuition fee, and UK uses pounds, and this is the highest currency in not the highest currency in the world. That number is very high compared to dollars and euros. So let's say an average of £15,000 for school fees, and then let's say your living expenses, let's additional, let's just say £10,000, and that's like £25,000. And if you're going to be converting £25,000 to like naira, that should be around let's just say almost 40 million naira. So if you're coming to UK, we heard it to be about that kind of amount. So that's just, but UK is very fast when it comes to study application. If you have your money, you enter UK ASAP, no time at all. It's very fast, so easy to enter. But if I'm not sure you don't have money, you're looking for scholarship, the best country for you is USA. USA is very good when it comes to scholarships. There are a lot of fundings in USA. There are a lot of universities in USA. There are a lot of researches going on in USA. So if you are looking for funding, if you are looking for scholarships, just try USA. USA will give you scholarship for your master's degree. They will also give you scholarship for your PhD. There's even a time, or let me not say there's a time, it is being rumored that all PhD in the United States of America is free. Yeah, you can't go into USA for a PhD and then you get to pay. It is mostly free, yeah, and then you just bring it out. So you can choose Canada and Australia if the main goal is citizenship. That if you want citizenship quickly, just choose Australia or Canada. They are very good when it comes to giving people PR within 2 years or 3 years. They to get your PR yourself, without wasting time at all. And then you can choose Finland if age is not on your side. For example, in Finland, if you're 30, 40, you can still go back and do BSc. They don't really care. But just that you need to write the IELTS exam, because Finland are very strict with IELTS, unlike other countries that will still accept your Vikings or kind of. And also you should be ready to write the IELTS examination. Now there are some countries in Europe that is not that expensive. With 5 million budgets or 7 million budgets, we should be able to enter places like Austria. You should be able to enter places like Portugal, Czech Republic, and many other smaller countries like that. In fact, in Germany's tuition fees is free. Most universities in Germany are free. Same thing with some other European countries. So if you can go to those countries, the only thing you just need to show them is just your living expenses. If you have 6 million, I think you should be able to process Germany. The only thing they will require from you is your living expenses. So you can tell all those countries that are free. But the limitation to both of those countries is that they are teaching in their language. For example, Finland will teach in their Finnish language. So sometimes it is required that you learn these languages. But don't worry, I'm going to be showing you some other offers when I get them on this channel. So if this is what you are interested in, just click the subscribe button and turn on post notification. When I do a video on any country, there you'll be the very first person to see it, so you can apply for it as well. So there's also a country like Malta. If I naturally choose Malta, so Malta is a very good country. If I go into Malta, Sweden, so with less money, you shouldn't be spending more than 50 million naira if you want to study Sweden. So guys, just have at the back of your mind that all of these things I'm talking about is only about study, not work right now. I'm going to be talking about work offers later. This one is just for study. Alright guys, I'm going to be seeing you on another video. This is a very short video, no time, just straight to the point. And if this is what you are interested in, a similar content like this, please like the video and subscribe. I'm going to be bringing more and more of this to you, and you can also encourage me by liking the video and sharing it to your friends. Alright, bye bye.